The day we got the car, it was raining. So the first thing I did was open the panoramic roof just to see. वो मतलब बारिश में बहुत प्यारी लगती है. So that's the first thing I did.
I have a background in HR and I have been working in the industry for more than 16 years now.
और इनके साथ ज़्यादा ज़रा friendly है, you know, we banter all the time, तो वो सारा कुछ इस तरह ना चलता रहता है. So I think it's very different from most parent-son relationships.
हमारी लड़ाइयाँ भी बहुत होती हैं, बातें भी बहुत होती हैं. फिर I think when it comes to parenting him on the right things, तो वहाँ पे जब रूल प्ले करती हूँ वो switch शायद probably he doesn't like it, but that's part of my job as well. I got MG in last September, which means like a little more than 1 year now. It was very overwhelming because of a lot of emotions that you feel when you're sitting in a new car, and of course it's like an upgrade from the vehicles that I have been driving.
I was in school and so she called me that we can pick up the car today. So I went from school directly to her office और फिर उधर से हम इकट्ठे गए थे MG के शोरूम and then that's where we picked it up. तो when it was coming तो हमने ड्राइवर को कॉल की कि गराज को ना क्लियर कर दें जो बाकी गाड़ियाँ ताकि we can bring it in and show it to them, right? तो उसको पता चल चुका था कि MG आ रही है. तो he went to the market and he got like flowers and stuff. तो जब हम स्ट्रीट के अंदर आए तो उसने ना दूर से flowers फेंकना शुरू कर दिया. That was quite an interesting experience.
The first selfie when we sat in the car, वो एक तो नया शौक आपको होता है जब जैसे आप कार में बैठते हैं. That's a memorable moment for all of us.
Honestly, I was just wowed by it. Sort of overwhelming because the amount of features that it had. The other cars that we had previously owned or currently own, they don't have like, you know, the ambient lighting and all of that. So just I think all of a sudden when you see all of those things, it takes a minute, you know, to take it all in.
A lot of people came in and asked me, office colleagues भी हो गए, friends भी हो गए, यार 360 का चलता किस तरह है, कैसे? Everyone is very curious about that feature. So I think it is very helpful. जब भी आपका रिवर्स होता है, बाकी होता है, कुछ जगह ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स आते हैं, it captures it really well. It helps you.
टेक का शौक है तो उसमें एप्पल कारप्ले एंड एंड्रॉइड ऑटो का जो है ना मुझे काफ़ी उसका फीचर पसंद आया था.
एक उसकी जो इंटीरियर वाली फीलिंग है that gives a good edge over other SUVs in the market, and that was my main I think consideration.
उसी वो स्पोर्टी थीम को ज़्यादा एम्बॉडी करने के लिए is also one of the reasons we went for the red and black interior. I feel like that just amplifies it even more. MG में पहला ट्रिप था तो there was that sense of excitement कि अच्छा चलो let's see कि कैसा MG में एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, which was great. And then also नानी को बहुत शौक है ना फिरने का तो उनको बहुत मज़ा आता है, especially with the panoramic roof and all that. Views बहुत अच्छे हैं MG के. It's an SUV as well तो थोड़ा elevated भी है. अगर आपको टेक का शौक है या if you want a car that's loaded with features then you should definitely go for it. I think काफ़ी you'll enjoy it a lot. There's so many features और आप कभी बोर नहीं होंगे.